the healer in the house today. And for you, he wants to make a way.
He wants to make a way.
Just ask and believe by faith, receive, and the healer in the house today. Now he was told that the holy healer, he was passing by one day. There was a man who was afflicted, but he had the faith to say, if I could ever get to Jesus, my healing will be the proof. If I can get through the door, I'll tear off the roof. For there's a healer in the house today. And the healer in the house today. And for you, he wants to make a way.
He wants to make
so
a way.
just ask and believe by faith, receive, and the healer in the house today.
Now if you're sick or you're feeling lonely, I have good news for you. For this healer, his name is Jesus, and he's the King of all kings. He rides on the wings of mercy, and he's healing in his wings. So take the roof off your doubts, let your faith come out, for there's a healer in the house today, and the healer in the house today. And for you, he wants to make a way.
He wants to make
So
a way.
just ask and believe by faith, receive, and the healer in the house today.
Healer in the house.
There is healer here.
Healer in the house.
He has come to heal.